Okay, so this is the nasi goreng seafood. Okay, so here we are inside the Living World shopping mall now. This is an area called the Food Village. Fabulous place. I have a lot of stuff from here myself, mainly the brownies. Croissant, 15k. It's on the sushi trees on the sticks here. Oh no, pizza Tarek. I think I've seen this one before. 30k. 15k for those. Salad wrap. Burgers, hot dogs as well. Wow, it's actually a little dog thing there. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's around about 6 p.m. I'm here at my favourite shopping mall in Bali, Living World, located in Denpasar. And what I'm going to feature in today's video, or tonight's video for you, is two things. I'm going to have dinner first of all at a restaurant called Juice, which I have featured in a video before, both here at Living World in Denpasar and also at the Icon Bali shopping mall. And then I'm going to take you for a stroll around few of the restaurants on the inside of the shopping mall and come outside and show you some of the collection of cheap places for cheap food and drinks on the outside of the shopping mall. So I'm going to feature Juice. I'm going to start at Juice restaurant first of all. This is a very, very popular restaurant here in not just Bali, it's all throughout Indonesia. I've had it in Jakarta, I've had it in Sulawesi. It's a very, very popular Indonesian restaurant. If you're wanting to try Indonesian food without the risk of getting a sick stomach, then I suggest Juice is a great place to come. It's great tasting food, very reasonable prices also. Sorry about the noise, there is a little bit of live music just taking place. So I'm going to give you show you the food, what I'm having, not doing a food review because I know it's good food. And then I'm going to take you for a wander around the few of the restaurants on the inside of the shopping mall, some on the or the full collection on the outside of the shopping mall, and just show you this is probably the most popular place to eat here in Bali. Okay, so this is where I'm going to start tonight's video. I'm going to have my dinner here at Juice. Very, very popular restaurant this amongst Indonesians. I've already placed my order. Just having a simple nasi goreng seafood. Just take you through. I'm going to sit out at the back outside. You see how busy it is in here. It's a very, very popular restaurant, this. Wow. And I'm going to sit outside here. The outside seating areas. Okay, so this is like a little dessert called iced teller. So you have jackfruit in there, you have little jelly squares, ice, crushed ice, and also avocado. Very, very nice dessert, this. So this is a ice lemon tea. This is around about 30,000, I think this is. You have to give it a stir because they put the sugar in, it usually sits at the bottom. Nice and refreshing. Oh, my nasi goreng has just come now, my nasi goreng seafood. Okay, so this is the nasi goreng seafood. You can see some prawns in there. We'll have to mix it up and take a look. Okay, so I'm not really giving you a food review on this because I already know it's good. It's got the prawns in there, the rice, so it's quite a few little prawns actually. It's like a specialty. Over the years, the portions do appear to have got smaller, but yeah, it's always good tasting. Okay, so here we are inside the Living World shopping mall now. This is an area called the Food Village. You can see it's very, very busy here. All Indonesian. Lots of little food and cake stalls and things all around here. Fruju. Five Monkeys burgers and hot dogs. That's very, very good burgers, that one there. Collection of all little places here. Sour Sally here. Little additional things there you can put on the things. There's the prices. Rossi Boy, the Kangarang, churro cakes, your donuts. And this is a place called Orleana Licious. This is a fabulous place. I have a lot of stuff from here myself, mainly the brownies, croissants, cookies, creme brulee, little cakes and things there. I have a collection of the brownies as well here. So that was called the Food Village. It's Orleana Licious. Just over here we have the People's Cafe. Popular place, that one as well. I've eaten there. We have a Kari Ramen. Little pop-up stores. This is a place called the Kari Ramen. Very busy inside there as well. Wow, it's actually full with customers in there. Sitting around the side of a Kari Ramen also. Pandan Cunning here. Not as busy in there. I'll take you to Solaria. So you can see they're very, very popular, these places here. Some customers in there as well. A little dog thing there. Kids taking photos. And then here we have another food court area here. Lots of things going on inside of here also. It's like a food court, lots of different places for your food here. A place called Sushi Go here. People almost queuing up in there to get seated. All sushi, 15k. It's on the sushi trains there. Pepper Lunch. Featured this in a video. Simply irresistible is the motto here. Not as busy as usual, but enough customers in there. It's called Charlie's Macaroni here. Queuing up for that one. Nice little seating areas all around the side here. Shigaru. It sells lots of different things. It has like the sushi here. And different sushis. So it's like 42,000. 65,000 for the bigger one there. Like all these things on sticks here. Corn dogs, chicken katsu. Some different things in there. Fun characters there. Wow. Beautiful lanterns up above. And now we're here outside. Let's go and have a look what's here where there's anything new. We'll turn left first of all and then we'll turn right. So I think this is a, oh no, Pizza Tarek. I think I've seen this one before. It's the pizzas. From Pizza Tarek we have a place called Yummy Koyin. Korean Koyin. Risol. Let's just show you the different flavours. All different flavours in there. Twister Crebo. Oh, look at those. Hello. Very, very nice, very reasonably priced food. A coffee place here. Some nice looking drinks, matcha drinks here. Nice little seating areas at the back here. Another place here, not quite sure what this is, but it's very reasonably priced. 20k. Lemon Madhu, lemon and honey drink there, 10k. There's all the things available here. Very reasonably priced food. Seating areas just behind there. We have Dem Kebab here. Just cooking the kebabs there now. So we've got burgers, kebabs, all sorts of things up there. Just from Dem Kebab, I'm just going to take you out here and just show you the. We have a performance stage. There's normally something going on. It's not super busy at the moment. It's maybe a little bit too early. Somebody is down on the stage there. Okay, we're back at the Pizza Tarek. It says it's 25 centimetre pizza there. This is the door entrance that we come out of. Kari Raymond outside seating area. Tea Tarek here. Let's just take you and show you so you know exactly what the things are available here. Some kind of tea drink, 15k. Some are 10k there, 17k. Very, very cheap. Roti toast as well. Some a little mentang. Some drinks and things here as well. Cho, how do you pronounce that? 30k. 15k for those. All the different flavours available here. Cheese, red beans, cheese and chips, choco caramel, oh la la. It's all from there. So this is Pandan Cunning here. Quite busy outside and inside. We have a coffee place here. Raja Maya, however you pronounce that. Another one here. First Korean potato cheese bread in Indonesia. That's a little bit strange lighting there. Hello. Bamboo drink here. You can see everything's very, very reasonably priced here. Daily tacos. Have this one here as well. Salad wrap. Fruit salad. This looks like the healthy option here. Some of the healthy drinks, 15k. Singapore ice creams. Tacos in this one here. dancing as well. So we have Red Dog there. Like a Suki barbecue. Quite popular actually, the restaurant's quite busy in there. There's Tala Surga. We have Luca here. 10,000. I did try this in the last video here, of all the different combinations and things here. Looks nice, but it was a little bit disappointing actually for me. Coffees also. People just ordering there. I'll just show you the big picture. Looks very, very nice, but was a little bit disappointing for me. We have Captain Burger here. Hello, how are you? There's all the burgers, hot dogs as well. Different combinations of burgers, fries as well, and drinks. Captain Burger, beef sandwich, Max Meat Lovers, Rouge. It's quite busy there. Raza Jaruk. This is a orange juice drink. Just have to wait for the camera to come through there because of the bright settings. Pork ribs here. Solaria calf. Takumi. Crispy rice. As you can see, it's all relatively reasonably cheap, the drinks and the food.